welcome to my channel, Krrish&Abhi. Let's learn something new together. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Hello guys, happy summer. And see, I made my summer dress. And I have a cool idea for your summer holiday. You could do a lot of paintings like these. So we're going to make them today. So I add water, soap, and color. Now I blow it like this. Now I'm gonna put it onto the bubbles where they are. Now I'm gonna let it dry it. Now it's dry, and now I'm going to draw something. Now I have drawn on it. This is my happy summer painting. You could also add more details. I am seeing this and drawing. And this is another way to draw. Pick your favorite toy and observe it and draw it, and we also have to look first and draw it. Color your hand, then you could put it on the paper, push it hard until the whole paint sticks onto the paper. And there you go. Now I colored a leaf. Now I'm going to flip it over and put it on my paper. Now we're going to need some flowers. So I picked these before 1 week. So then I put them in a really huge bowl that is heavy for 3 days, and then I take them out. I'm gonna glue them on the paper. Now I glued them on. Now you could add more details. And you can make your own paintings with your own imaginations. And I hope you do a lot of your best. And enjoy your holiday. And I hope you had so much fun doing these paintings. And thanks for watching. I hope you liked my video and push the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching. Bye.